Ever wished you could visually understand your data relationships and database structures in Tableau? That's exactly what we'll learn to do in this tutorial. Build an entity relationship diagram, or ERD, right inside Tableau, to help you with data modeling and get a better grasp of your data's architecture. Let's jump right in. First, open Tableau and connect to your data source. This could be a database, like SQL Server or MySQL, or even a simple Excel file. The type of connection you choose is up to you. After connecting, you'll likely see the relationships or a join screen. Add your tables to the canvas. This is where the magic begins, so take a moment here to make sure you have the right tables in the correct order. Begin drawing relationship lines that visually connect different tables. Use the join types, the most common being inner, left, right, and full outer joins to define how tables will play with one another. These join types determine how your data is combined when Tableau queries it. Remember, the connections are the heart of your ERD. Now, let's get your first dimension displayed properly. Drag those dimensions into the view. Pay close attention to the type of data you're dragging. Numbers, text, dates, etc. That affects how Tableau represents it. Experiment with color coding and labels to highlight specific tables or relationships. Adding calculated fields can also give you additional context, especially to provide more meaning to relationships. To make your ERD even clearer, use formatting options. Change the sizing or positioning of table names. Once you do that, you can drag your dimensions and then your data type values to the ERD. And there you have it, your very own ERD created within Tableau. Now you can grasp the relationships between your data elements. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing to develop your skills, and be sure to like and subscribe for more data visualization tips and tricks.